Every single night, millions of seniors wake up screaming because a sudden leg cramp locks their muscles like iron chains. The pain is so sharp, it feels like your leg is being torn apart from the inside. And here's the shocking truth. More than 60% of adults over 60 suffer these attacks every single week. Yet most never realize the solution could be as simple as the food on their plate. That's why today, we're counting down the top 3 superfoods proven to relax muscles, boost circulation, and stop leg cramps before they even start. And stick with me, because tip number 1 might surprise you. It's probably already in your kitchen. So let's dive in with number 3 and discover why something as ordinary as an egg could be your first line of defense against those painful night cramps. Number 3 on our list is spinach. The leafy green you've probably walked past in the grocery store 1,000 times. But here's the secret. Inside those soft green leaves hides one of the most powerful natural weapons against leg cramps. Why? Because spinach is loaded with magnesium. And magnesium is the mineral your muscles beg for when they're about to seize. Without enough magnesium, your muscle fibers stay tense, like a rubber band pulled too tight, until suddenly they snap into a painful cramp. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with low magnesium levels were twice as likely to experience night cramps compared to those who had enough in their diet. That's not just a number. It's the difference between sleeping peacefully and waking up in agony. But magnesium isn't working alone. Spinach is also rich in potassium, another electrolyte that helps your nerves send clear signals to your muscles. When potassium runs low, your nerves start firing like static on a broken radio, and the result is an uncontrollable spasm. Spinach helps restore that balance, calming the storm inside your legs. And here's something even more surprising. Spinach contains nitrates, natural compounds that widen your blood vessels. Better circulation means your muscles get more oxygen, more nutrients, and less fatigue. That's why athletes use spinach to improve endurance, and seniors can use it to stop the cycle of cramps. The best part? Spinach is easy to add to your life. You don't need fancy recipes. A handful in your morning omelet, a cup in your soup at lunch, or even blend it into a smoothie with a banana. Each serving delivers magnesium, potassium, and nitrates straight to your muscles, gently protecting you from that midnight pain. So here's the question. If something as simple as spinach can calm your muscles, why let cramps control your nights? But spinach is only the beginning. Because the next food, number 2, goes even deeper. It not only fuels your body, but also shields your muscles from dehydration, one of the most overlooked triggers of senior leg cramps. And you'll be surprised where that protection comes from. Number 2 on our list might surprise you. Sweet potatoes. Not just a comfort food, not just a side dish, but a natural shield against painful leg cramps. Why sweet potatoes? Because they are packed with potassium, almost twice as much as a banana. And potassium is the key mineral your muscles need to contract and relax without seizing. When levels drop, your muscles act like wires sparking in the dark, firing uncontrollably until they lock into a cramp. Researchers from Harvard Medical School have shown that diets rich in potassium help reduce the frequency and severity of muscle cramps in older adults. In fact, seniors who consumed enough potassium daily had significantly lower risks of nocturnal cramps. This isn't just theory, it's proven science. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes also provide magnesium, the mineral that calms overactive muscle fibers, and vitamin C, which helps repair tissues and fight inflammation. Together, they form a triple defense system, restoring electrolytes, protecting muscles from stress, and keeping blood vessels open for better circulation. Think about it this way. Every bite of sweet potato is like sending a wave of relaxation through your muscles. Instead of tight, knotted fibers, you get smoother contractions, better oxygen delivery, and less midnight pain. And here's the part most people miss. Sweet potatoes also hydrate. Their natural water and carbohydrate content help your body absorb electrolytes more efficiently, reducing dehydration-related cramps. That's why athletes often eat them before long races, and seniors can use the same trick to protect themselves at night. How do you add them to your life? Simple. Bake them, mash them, or roast them. Swap them for white potatoes, and you've instantly given your muscles more potassium, more magnesium, and more protection. Even a small serving a few times a week can make a noticeable difference. So here's the real question. If one humble root can help calm your legs, restore your energy, and protect your nights, why not make it a regular guest on your plate? And yet, there's still one more food, number one, that completes the picture. A food so refreshing it doesn't just fight cramps, it quenches them before they even begin. And chances are, you've already sipped it without knowing its secret power. And finally, number one on our list, something bright, sweet, and sitting right on your kitchen counter: oranges. Most people think of oranges only as a source of vitamin C, but for seniors struggling with leg cramps, this fruit is a hidden lifesaver. Here's why. Cramps aren't just about muscles. They're often about fluids. When your body is even slightly dehydrated, your electrolytes fall out of balance and your muscles begin to spasm. Oranges are over 85% water, making them one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat. Every juicy slice helps restore the fluid balance your muscles need to stay calm. But hydration is only the first piece. Oranges are also packed with potassium and calcium, the two minerals most responsible for keeping muscle contractions smooth. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatrics Society found that seniors with higher dietary potassium had significantly fewer nighttime cramps. Add calcium into the mix, and you've got stronger nerve signals, steadier contractions, and less pain at night. And we can't forget vitamin C. This isn't just about immunity. Vitamin C helps your body absorb minerals more efficiently and repairs muscle tissues damaged by constant spasms. In fact, research from the University of Helsinki showed that older adults with higher vitamin C intake recovered muscle function faster after cramping episodes. Imagine it like this. Every orange you eat is a triple-action defense: hydration, electrolyte balance, and tissue repair, all working silently to protect your legs while you sleep. Instead of waking up clutching your calf, you wake up refreshed, your muscles supported through the night. The best part? Oranges are simple: a fresh glass of juice in the morning, a snack in the afternoon, or even a few slices after dinner. No complicated recipes, no pills, just nature's way of restoring balance. So here's the question. If something as ordinary as an orange can guard your muscles, quench dehydration, and reduce painful spasms, why not make it part of your daily routine? And remember, this countdown is only the beginning. There are dozens of foods, habits, and daily choices that can protect your muscles as you age. Want to know more? Stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll reveal even more natural ways to fight cramps and keep your body moving strong. So let's quickly recap. At number 3, we discovered spinach, the green muscle relaxer, loaded with magnesium, potassium, and nitrates to calm your legs and improve circulation. At number 2, sweet potatoes, the natural electrolyte booster, bringing you potassium, magnesium, and hydration, all in one humble root. And finally, at number 1, oranges, the hydration protector, delivering water, potassium, calcium, and vitamin C to restore balance and keep cramps from stealing your sleep. 3 simple foods, 3 powerful defenses. And the best part? They're all affordable, accessible, and already in your kitchen. No pills, no expensive treatments, just nature's medicine, ready to protect your muscles every single day. But here's the truth. These are only the first steps. Because cramps aren't just about what you eat. They're about how you hydrate, how you move, and even the small daily habits you may not notice. That's why in our next video, we'll go beyond food and uncover the hidden mistakes seniors make every day that silently trigger muscle cramps. and how you can fix them fast. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more seniors find these tips. Drop a comment below and let us know. Which of these 3 foods will you try first? And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the next health-boosting insight from Senior Health Daily. Stay informed, stay strong, and until next time, take care of yourself and your muscles.